Hi there, this is Amelia from Meema Makes, and these are 3 crochet hacks that I wish I'd known sooner. I use them all the time and they're really straightforward. The first one is the invisible join. The conventional way of finishing in the round is to slip stitch and then fasten off. However, this can leave a bit of a jog and noticeable join. The invisible join, however, makes a seamless finish. So to do an invisible join, cut your yarn tail before you do that slip stitch and then pull that yarn tail through that last stitch. Thread your yarn tail onto a yarn needle, and then we're going to put our needle underneath both of the loops at the top of the stitch to one side of this starting chain, just like that. And then pull that needle through, and you want this yarn here to be snug but not really tight, just to bridge that gap there. The next step is to put your needle underneath the back loops of the stitch the other side of the starting chain. So this stitch was the last stitch of our round. So we're going to take our needle and put it through those 2 loops just there. And again, pull that snug but not really tight. And now you can see we've got a seamless finish to the end of our round. You can't really see where I've joined that. The second hack is how to start a chain without a slip knot. So take your crochet hook and put it to one side of your working yarn and pull out. Then rotate your hook 360 degrees, making this twist. This twist is what we're going to use instead of a slip knot. Pinch it to stabilise it, and then make your starting chain as you normally would. This is what that twist looks like. You can see there's no bump from a knot, so your work will be neater. You can also loosen and tighten this first chain at will, so you could use it instead of a magic ring. So the third hack I'm going to show you is an alternative to a magic ring. I don't know about you, but I find magic rings really fiddly, and I find that they open up over time, especially in heavy use items like blankets. So this is my alternative. Take your yarn tail and wrap it around your first finger 3 times, and then stabilise those wraps with your middle finger. Put your crochet hook under the first wrap and the second wrap, and then grab the third wrap and pull it underneath both of those wraps. Now gently remove your magic ring from your finger. We're now ready to start crocheting our first round. When you crochet into a magic ring, you go under both of those strands. I'm just going to make a really quick first round and I will speed it up. So here we are, we've crocheted our first round into the magic ring. You're now going to gently pull on this yarn tail, and one of those 2 strands of that magic ring will start to tighten. It was this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch that strand that started to tighten, and then I'm going to pull it, and that will tighten the other strands of our magic ring. I can then pull on this yarn tail to get rid of that loop, and we're finished. This way of making a magic ring is so much more secure. It doesn't open up as easily, and I find it a lot less fiddly and easier to teach to beginners. So did you already know any of these crochet hacks? What are your favourite crochet hacks? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy the tutorial that's on the screen now.